Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today is the time for some more camera comparisons, and today I'm gonna compare my Nikon Coolpix P500, a small sensor super zoom camera, to an entry-level DSLR by Canon, the Canon 200D, also called the Canon EOS Rebel SL2 in the US. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to compare the Nikon Coolpix P500 with the Canon EOS 200D, and we will score both these cameras based on their specs like shooting speed, battery life, or effective megapixels, and see which one is better where. So the one with the best score will obviously win. Let's get started. The Nikon B500 has a 16 megapixel 1 by 2.3 inch sized BSI CMOS sensor. The sensor of the Canon 200D is a 24 megapixel APS-C size CMOS sensor. The sensor size clearly depicts why a DSLR is better than the point and shoot, and the 200D's sensor is a lot bigger than the P500 sensor. On Amazon India, the P500 may cost me around 17,130 rupees, but the 200D may cost me around 47,999 rupees for a single lens of 1855mm, and for two lenses 1855 and 55-250, it may cost me around 57,990 rupees. The P500 has 40x optical zoom, that is equivalent to around 160mm, but the focal length of the 200D, it being a DSLR, depends on the lens that I attach to it. If I attach a 55-250 to it, it will give me focal length in the range of 55-250mm. If I attach a 600mm prime to it, it will give me that super telescopic focal length. So, since it is so versatile, we will give 1 point to the 200D. The 200D can click images in RAW plus JPEG, and the P500 only clicks images in JPEG. So the 200D gives me more flexibility in developing and post-processing my images. Both 200D and P500 can shoot in 1920 by 1080 at 30 and 60 fps. The 200D has a viewfinder, so it can help me in framing my shots in a better and more creative and more steady way. The B500 can give me 7 full resolution images at a shooting speed of 7.4 fps, and the shooting speed of 200D is 5 frames per second. The P500 has a tilting screen. Its screen cannot swivel to the side, but it can tilt in such a way. But the screen of the 200D can twist and swivel all the way around, so it is very useful for vlogging and taking selfies. The P500 is clearly smaller from the two cameras. It is 8mm narrower, 15mm shorter, but 25mm thicker than the 200D. It weighs around 541 grams and the 200D weighs 453 grams. But this weight of the 200D is of its body only, as I will attach a lens to it, it's bound to become heavier. So the B500 is more compact and useful for a long walking tour. Now with a single charge, the B500 gives me around 600 shots and the 200D gives me 650 shots. So that's 50 more shots by the 200D. The 200D has a shoe for an external flash, so I can attach an external flash and other camera accessories like a microphone to it. The maximum ISO of the B500 is 6400 and the same of the 200D is 25600. So the 200D is more useful to me in low light situations. According to me, the main advantage of the 200D over the B500 is that it has a manual mode. Also, I can use any of the semi-automatic modes of the camera like aperture priority, shutter priority, which allows me to control the aperture, shutter speed and ISO of the camera. In the B500, I don't have this facility and I can only control the ISO. Another feature in the 200D is bracketing, which can be very useful for HDR and landscape photography. The 200D allows you to tag the GPS data on your images, the latitude, longitude, altitude and shooting time of the image with its new always-on Bluetooth connection. The 200D is equipped with a vari-angle touch-enabled LCD monitor. Whoa! The 200D has an external microphone input as well as an internal microphone. This feature is damn useful for vloggers and singers. Both cameras have some common features that I want to tell you guys. We won't score them because they're quite basic. But if you want to buy any of these cameras, I think you need to know them. Both cameras have somewhat similar inbuilt flash, face detection focus, Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity and manual exposure. So guys, in today's video, the 200D is a clear winner because it gives me better effective megapixels, better battery life, flexible focal length, viewfinder, RAW support, GPS, touch enabled tilting swiveling screen, shoe for external flash, bracketing, so many features. But the B500 is more lightweight and it costs less. So if price is a priority for you like it was for me, then you may go for the B500, or else if it is not a constraint for you, you have the budget, then you can definitely go for the 200D. It will be a great investment in your photography. So guys, this was a detailed comparison between the Nikon B500 and Canon 200D, and I hope my video cleared many of your doubts regarding which camera is better where. And if you have any suggestions for me, if you want me to make any specific camera comparisons, any two cameras that you may be stuck between and are confused which one is better, please leave those suggestions down below guys. And if you found this video to be useful, give me a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below about what you wanna watch next on my channel, share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous camera comparison and here is a playlist that plays all my camera comparisons. Please go check these videos out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.